हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम अगेन टू फूड मेनिया। तो आज सोच रहा हूँ कि क्या बनाया जाए, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग किया जाए। आज समथिंग इट्स ए स्पेशलिटी ऑफ इंडोनेशिया, पर इसके बहुत सारे वर्जन हैं। ये मलेशिया में भी खाया जाता है, सिंगापुर में भी खाया जाता है। ओरिजिनली दिस इज़ अ बालिनीज डिश फ्रॉम इंडोनेशिया। इट्स कॉल्ड नासी गोरेंग। नासी गोरेंग का मतलब है इट्स ए फ्राइड राइस। सो आई एम मेकिंग टुडे फिश नासी गोरेंग, एंड टू accompany it I'll be making fish ginger wine soup. And one very interesting thing I'd like to tell you today, I'm making nasi goreng not with basmati or anything, I'm making with jeera rice. By accident I happened to come across this rice, wonderful rice. I can recommend this rice, and it comes out brilliant, I'm telling you, take my words. So let's see how the thing comes out. So now, like I said, about the nasi goreng and the fish soup, fish ginger wine soup. So the first process, what I'm going to tell you is, I have to blanch some of the vegetables. Blanching is basically, what you're supposed to put it in hot water and then again put it in cold water. उसमें क्या होता है कि flavor retain करता है, color retain करता है, and like I said, with the soup I am having crispy rice. तो crispy rice कई तरीके होते हैं बनाने के। आप OTG के नीचे रख सकते हैं, but I am making it in a pan. So first thing is put it in a pan and put the flame on. And for blanching, I am putting the flame on. I have got hot water in it, lukewarm water. So you have to stir it very gently, the rice. Make sure the flame is not on a very higher side. You have to do it very gently, नहीं तो burn out हो जाएगा rice. Like this, continuously keep on stirring it. And for blanching, let the water come to a boil. So like I said, you have to do it on a very slow fire. So see, it has to be golden brown, but make sure it does not burn out. ये जलना नहीं चाहिए. And पानी बॉयल हो गया है, तो we have two things to blanch. One is the mushroom. पहले मशरूम को डालिए. Just for 30 seconds. That's it. उसके बाद निकाल देना है. $20 seconds हो गए हैं. Another 5 seconds. And then I am putting the bok choy. Flame out. So like I said, blanching, you will have to basically put it in the cold water. I said you the reason. Retains the color, all nutrients, and it tastes also much better, क्योंकि इसके अंदर से अगर सब कुछ निकल जाएगा तो कोई टेस्ट ही नहीं आएगा. So I put it for blanching. So now we have the blanched vegetables ready, this ready. So now we start with rice and then the soup. गर्मा गर्म सूप लेंगे पहले, फिर राइस खाएंगे. For the ginger wine fish soup, I have made some fish stock, very important. So what I've done, I made it in a cooker. जल्दी बन गया. So what I've done is, I've put the fish heads in the grid. And नीचे मैंने ice cold water डाला. Put ice cold water on a very low flame. So slowly all the flavors of the fish head, but make sure the fish, you have to clean the gills. अगर gills अंदर आ जाएगा, it will give a bitter taste. So you see, it's a lovely stock. It's a lovely stock what we have. So इससे we will be making ginger wine fish soup with crispy rice, crispy jeera rice. So now we have to parboil the rice. So rice, you have to make sure it is about 80% cooked. 80-85%. So you have to constantly keep an eye on it. So I put on the flame and just wait for the water to boil. Now the jeera rice, what I'm doing is, I'm just parboiling it. So I've got some soaked rice. I've soaked it for about 2 hours, the jeera rice. So I'm putting it in the boiling water. Keep the flame on a very higher side. So in the meantime, when you have the rice just coming to a boil, so for garnishing the nasi goreng, the fish nasi goreng is normally garnished with a fried egg. अच्छा फिश नॉर्मल नासी गोरेंग जो है ना, उसका मैं एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बताता हूँ. पहले तो इसके ना आपको इंटरनेट में यू विल फाइंड लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट रेसिपीज. दिस इज व्हाट आई थिंक इज बेस्ट. अगर आपको कोई और रेसिपी इसमें ऐड करना तो यू कैन ऐड ऑन. लाइक आई विल नॉट बी यूजिंग श्रिम्प पेस्ट इन दिस. मैं इसमें नहीं डालता हूँ बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट लाइक, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल इन इंडिया डोंट लाइक श्रिम्प पेस्ट, बट डालता है उसमें. सम पीपल हैव इट विद ए peanut sauce. I will not be doing. Lot of people in India have it with a sweet chili sauce. So you get in market sweet chili sauce, but I'll tell you how to make an easy sweet chili. घर में कैसे sweet chili sauce बनाना है वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. So the rice is coming to a boil, and for the garnishing, I'm making some fried egg. So another few minutes, it should be ready in another few minutes. So now you see the parboiled rice is ready. You have for garnishing, the fried egg is ready. So now fish nasi goreng. So the fish, you see, I have cut into finger, but little thick finger. So now what I'm going to do is add little, I want it crisp. That's why I'm using little egg yolk. And then I got some fine quality corn flour. Try and use a good quality corn flour. It has to have a very smooth texture of a talcum powder. कई मिलते हैं, it is very rough. Don't use it. So just sprinkle it with a little corn flour. Like I've told you in before episodes, don't put much of corn flour. So you will feel you're having a pakoda. So any Pan Asian food is not pakodas. You have to get the feel of the fish. And of course the fish I'm using, it's cobbler. Cobbler is actually a catfish. You get around the world. So very healthy, very easily available. So I'm just going to fry it just not more than a minute's time. I can get that nice, the cobbler fish. It's a sweet water fish, huh? You get it in ponds, river, streams. At about 30-40 seconds. So the fish is done up. Such a lovely color, you see. White and pinkish. मेरा दिल कर रहा है ऐसे ही खा लूं. So we have the main ingredient. The fish is ready, rice is ready, the garnish is ready. So now we are going to start with the process of the nasi goreng. Yeah. So now I'm going to make the sweet chili sauce. So for the sweet chili sauce, what we are having is basically, like you see, I have the cucumber, sliced cucumber. I have coriander. I've got honey, vinegar, chili flakes, and a little seasoning. So first I'm just going to put the cucumber in it. Then I'm going to put the vinegar. Then I'm going to put the honey. Put a little generous amount of honey. The sweetness and the spiciness should be there. Then some coriander. And then of course the chili flakes. Homemade sweet chili sauce. घर में बना के बताइएगा कैसा लगा. So this will go with the nasi goreng rice. And then in the meantime, I have my fish stock ready. I'm making a clear soup. I'm not adding any fish to it. I'm just making it in the fish stock. Like the name sounds, it's ginger wine fish soup with crispy rice. So I have the fish stock here. Crispy rice, I'm using the jeera rice. And like the name sounds, ginger wine. So first of all, we are going to put some sliced ginger. Let the boil come. And then I have some chopped ginger. I've soaked it in water. So just pick up the ginger and just squeeze it. So you get that extra flavor of ginger. Just squeeze it like this. So now we are going to do a bit of seasoning. I got a little seasoning powder. It's got nice ginger flavor, but I would love to have some more ginger. थोड़ा और ginger चाहिए. मुझे तो ginger बड़ा पसंद है. And at the end, we're going to add some cooking wine, Chinese cooking wine, Oriental cooking wine. Got a lot of varieties. So I have got about 2 small bowls. So that should suffice. And immediately after putting the wine, you have to flame out. नहीं तो wine पूरा उड़ जाएगा. I think I'm going to add some more wine. That's the cooking wine. So I'm going to keep it a little warm, and at the end I'm going to add some spring onion now. At the end I'll see if I want to add some more wine. So the soup is ready. So now we are going for the nasi goreng rice. So now we have come to the finishing. सूप तैयार है, तो नासी गोरेंग को जस्ट एक फिनिशिंग टच देते हैं. सो वॉक, जस्ट हीट द ऑयल ऑन ए हाई फ्लेम. सो गार्लिक, जनरस अमाउंट ऑफ गार्लिक. Then we have got onion scallion. Then we have got the 3 pepper, the red, we've got the green, we've got the yellow, and we have the onion. Give it a gentle, just a gentle stir, you know. Don't overcook the bell peppers and all. And just see for yourself, you know, the rice. You know, कितना बढ़िया लग रहा है. See, it's, you know, सारे दाने अलग है. You see, all the grains are separate. And then the rice comes in. The jeera rice, you know, I'm using this brand, you know, Kirti, very nice. And then it's a spicy dish, you know, nasi goreng. It's a meal by itself actually. This is the cooked chili paste. In our earlier episodes, you know, I told you how to make chili paste. You know, you get 3 products: raw chili paste, cooked chili paste, and chili oil. Just refer to our old episode, so you can just see it. Like the process is totally there, you know, and it also mentions, you know, how much time you can store each of them. Don't put the flame on a very higher side. I'm not using salt anywhere, if you see, because you know a lot of my sauces have got salt in it. So now I'm putting in the blanched mushroom and bok choy. Then I'm adding some light soya. Some generous amount of fish sauce. And some oyster sauce. So let me see how it balances out, and then probably I'll do some more addition. बहुत बढ़िया, मज़ा आ रहा है। स्पाइसी, लुकिंग सो नाइस। थोड़ा सा सीजनिंग करता हूँ मैं, थोड़ा सा फिश सॉस आई थिंक। So at last I'm adding the fish. Like I said you before, I'm using cobbler. You can use anything, but probably go for a semi-hard fish. The soft fish, it will break up. So we have the nasi goreng ready, and the soup is also ready. तो अभी बस खाने की देरी है, थोड़ी सूप को गर्म कर लेते हैं। So friends, तैयार है। So we have this clear ginger wine fish soup and the fish nasi goreng, and I've used jeera rice. तो पहले थोड़ा सूप ट्राई करते हैं, एंड लाइक आई सेड सूप के साथ मैंने थोड़ा क्रिस्पी राइस जरूर टेस्ट करना है, बिकॉज बिलीव मी, अमेजिंग, इट्स अमेजिंग। योर वाइन फ्लेवर, फिश का स्टॉक एंड दैट क्रिस्पीनेस, वाह, अमेजिंग। थोड़ा नासी गोरेंग भी टेस्ट करते हैं। I love this bok choy. It's so healthy, Little of the sweet chili sauce. Lovely flavor of the cobbler fish, the fish sauce, and of course that jeera rice is to recommend, believe me. I'm enjoying. So what are you making tonight? So before I leave today, I have some very nice complimentary food vouchers to be won, and I'm going to ask you a question. So there are two questions I have. What sort of fish I have used in my recipe, and number two, is it a sweetwater fish or a sea fish? I just repeat, what sort of fish I have used, whether it is a sweetwater fish or a sea fish. Complimentary vouchers from casino motels to be won. Till next time, bye bye.